Okay, everybody, welcome to the Wednesday directions video. Pretty simple day today. Good job taking the quiz yesterday, guys. The scores were pretty good for the most part. Remember, just like always, if you turn in your assignments and get 100% of them, you can literally get D's on the quizzes and get a B plus in the class. So for some of you guys that maybe did poorly yesterday or on Monday on the quiz, maybe that's a wake-up call to just start grinding away the daily assignments so you're not banking on having to do really well on the quizzes. You can kind of give yourself some wiggle room. So keep that in mind. Also, another announcement, November 18th is the last day I'm taking missing assignments. Okay, so November 18th, I have to get stuff in. You have to get stuff in so I can grade it. So on that Thursday and Friday, I grade it. Okay, so if you turn something in on the 19th, it's a no-go. Got to meet your deadlines. Okay, I'm giving you a sweet deal here. I'm still letting you turn stuff in for 70% up until November 18th. It's a sweet deal, but November 19th, the deal's done. Okay, so get your stuff in. Make sure you're grinding away and getting that stuff done. Today, again, I still got the test out there for some people, but you probably won't be able to see that. But today we're just looking at weather and seasons. Moving on to chapter 3. This is all it's about. Weather, seasons. We're gonna focus more on extreme weather on the back end of this week and moving on into next week. So we'll look at tornadoes and thunderstorms and typhoons, but also the not so exciting stuff like droughts. Okay, so we get a little bit of both. Today, just go through the PowerPoints if you're at home. It's not very difficult. It's a lot of just terminology or key terms. So I figured you guys can kind of handle that on your own. So for the weather and climate one, you can probably see this is the red and white is your key stuff, the stuff that you'll see in the quiz. So go through, make sure you have these in your notes because again, maybe you'll get to use the notes on the quiz. So make sure you're going through and actually putting these in your notes so you have them. You have a good resource moving forward. All right, temperature, humidity, all these things. So just go through it. This one's not very long. It's only 10 slides. So that's one of them. And then the other PowerPoint we're looking at today is the seasons one. And this one's more scientific, a little more challenging. But again, we're just going to focus on the simple stuff, right? We're going to focus on the basic stuff. So for this one, the red is what we're looking at. All right, so see red like this one right here, make sure you have it in your notes. See that? Have it in your notes. Okay, so on and so forth. Watch the video. It explains it pretty good. And yeah, just 2 short PowerPoints today that we're going through. And again, I think you guys know a lot of this stuff already. So it should be a little bit of a review, which is nice. But that's basically it, guys. That's what we're doing today, just going through the seasons PowerPoint and going through the weather and climates PowerPoint together, just getting the main terminology down so that when we do stuff later on, we know the basics and we can actually talk the talk a little bit. Okay? So that's what we're working on today, just notes. I didn't want to give you guys a big assignment right after taking our quiz. I want to give you guys kind of a day to breathe a little bit, and then we'll get back after it on Thursday and obviously on Friday. All right, everybody, have a great day. Do something fun after you're done taking your notes. And obviously make sure you are letting me know that you're here in the attendance. For the attendance who made it here at the end, make sure you are checking in either before your hour or right at the beginning of your hour, because I take attendance just like normal. I take attendance at the beginning of the hour. So if you haven't checked in yet, you're getting marked absent. Okay? So make sure you're checking in either early or right on time. Don't be late. Okay, see you people who are at home tomorrow, and for people who are going to be here, I will see you in a few hours.